In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure distance in Microsoft PowerPoint 2025, step by step. If you've ever struggled to line up objects perfectly or verify exact spacing, this walkthrough will make that process simple and reliable. We'll start with the built-in ruler, then use guides for more precise measurements, all without leaving PowerPoint. First, open PowerPoint on your Windows device. Click the Start or Windows icon, search for PowerPoint if you need to, and open the app. Once you're in, open the presentation you want to work on. You can use a new blank slide or an existing file. Either way works for measuring. Now let's turn on the ruler. Go to the View tab at the top of the window and check the option labeled Ruler. You'll see rulers appear along the top and the left side of your slide. These rulers reflect your default measurement unit, usually inches or centimeters, depending on your system settings. Think of them as a quick visual reference for position and distance as you move objects around the canvas. With the ruler visible, click any object on your slide, like a shape, image, or text box, and drag it. As you move it, use the tick marks on the rulers to gauge its position relative to the slide edges. PowerPoint also provides alignment cues as you get close to common positions. For finer control, zoom in a bit and use the arrow keys to nudge objects while watching the ruler for exact placement. There's another way to measure, and it's more accurate. Guides. Back on the View tab, check Guides to turn them on. You'll see faint lines through the slide center. Right-click on the slide and choose Add Vertical Guide or Add Horizontal Guide to create additional reference lines. These guides don't print or show up in slideshow mode. They're just for layout precision. Drag a guide to the first point you want to measure from, and then add and drag another guide to the second point. As you move a guide, PowerPoint shows a position readout, which tells you its exact location. The distance between two vertical guides is simply the difference between their positions. The same applies to two horizontal guides. This approach is fantastic for confirming margins, matching spacing between elements, and creating consistent layouts across multiple slides. If a guide isn't where you want it, just drag it again and watch the position numbers update in real time. That's all you need to accurately measure distance in PowerPoint using the ruler and guides. Practice these two methods, and your slides will look cleaner, sharper, and perfectly aligned.